if you will notice, I keep on mentioning GSIS because I saw the blog of Senator Pia Cayetano na sinasabi nila, nilulusob sila sa Senado, pati nila ng mga senators. So when they called me, sabi ko, wala kaming NBI dyan sa Senado. You have to be very clear with that, that the Senate is renting the building from GSIS. It's one complex. And the building where GSIS offices is located and the building where Senate is, yung offices ng Senate are located, magkaiwala yan. But the separation is only through a door. Tapos mayroon platform, the GSIS na, So, pag makita nyo yung video, which I've seen already, sa GSIS talaga. That's why yung sinasabi na si NBI Director nagsisinungaling dahil sinabi niya walang tao sa Senado. I think yung mga sumama sa GSIS na media can prove that na wala talagang pumasok doon sa Senado. That's very clear. Kaya ako nagugulat ngayon because some of them are saying na ngayon, sabi nila wala daw silang agent sa Senado. Tapos hahabulin nila at sa GSIS. Because they suddenly realize na sa GSIS lang pala talaga yung mga ente. And our presence doon sa GSIS is supported by a request. So we have legal cover, legal basis to be there kung bakit kami nasa GSIS, So, doon sa claim na stage ba yan or attack, ganyan, sabi ko na kung siege man yan or anything, there's no siege. The Senate was never under attack. Ang nangyari ngayon, it's NBI who is now under attack. So, yun yung nangyayari ngayon. Pero, lalabas naman yan. And again, I don't want to, I'm sorry, Chi, that I cannot anymore comment if it's stage or a siege or attack. I'd rather leave it to the wisdom of the investigating authority, which is the DOJ and the panel that is created by Secretary Bida and also with the Office of the Ombudsman. Also, the CIDG, you can ask the CIDG, nandun naman sila.